If you're out looking at homes, we don't have to tell you that the inventory is limited. There are definitely many people entering into the home buying market. But let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about buying a home that needs to be fixed up? Now, we're not talking about a ton of repair. We mean simple things like paint, carpet, maybe a bathroom or kitchen remodel. You've probably looked at a few homes online or even checked out in person and thought, it'd be a great house if only the kitchen was bigger or not green. The great news is that there are some really cool loan programs out there that allow you to buy a home and wrap the renovation costs of fixing up the house into the loan. Yes, you don't have to max out your credit card to get your home remodeled, which brings us to the top 3 reasons you should buy your house with a renovation home loan. Here is reason number 1 to buy your house with a renovation home loan. You choose the work you want done. If you want to remodel the kitchen, the bathroom, the basement, or add a man cave or a she shed, you can choose a renovation home loan. There are several different loan program options that allow you to decide what you want done. Of course, it depends upon what you qualify for, but your lender can help you figure that out. Reason number 2 to buy a house with a renovation home loan is you don't have to do the work. With a renovation home loan, you simply decide on the work you want completed to be included in the loan, select the contractors you want to do the work, get bids from them, and submit the bids. Your lender will take it over from there. It's simple and allows you to get into the home of your dreams. Which brings us to reason number 3 to buy a house with a renovation home loan. The renovation work is done after you buy the home. That's right. You can buy the house and have the work completed after you have closed. There's no waiting around. You get your home and the work begins after you close. Super simple. So if you're tired of looking at homes that don't fit your wants and needs checklist, don't change your checklist. Change your mindset and start looking at the possibilities of creating the home of your dreams with a renovation home loan. If you'd like more information about the remodeling possibilities with a renovation home loan, please contact your lender.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Mitchell Milat or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.